To thrive in today's global markets, businesses need more than just ambition. They need cutting-edge tools. AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini streamline workflows. Design powerhouses like Figma bring creative ideas to life. And when it comes to growth, expanding worldwide means strategic ad investments on Google, Meta, and YouTube, where smart spend determines success. But here's the challenge. Managing multiple subscriptions and ad spend across borders can quickly become complex. Now imagine this. What if you had a single solution that lets you subscribe to all your favorite AIGC platforms without limits, pay for global ad campaigns without friction, and keep your international business running smoothly and securely? PhotonPay provide businesses with secure, seamless, and scalable payment capabilities. That's where PhotonPay Card comes in. With PhotonPay Card, you can instantly issue multi-currency virtual or physical cards, pay subscriptions worldwide from AI tools to SaaS platforms, control and track ad spend across Google, Meta, YouTube, and more. Enjoy secure transactions backed by Mastercard and Discover Network. Get real-time expense management so your team always stays in control. Whether it's scaling your AI subscriptions or fueling global advertising campaigns, PhotonPay Card powers your international growth with one seamless solution. Ready to take your business global? Start today with PhotonPay. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on the future of global payments.